Welcome, in front of me is a Doogee S70 and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot. So to get started you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just a home screen as an example for this. So once it's open and visible on your screen, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You will have this pop-up right here. Now if you're doing this for the first time, it does give you a guide on it. I'll just select OK. And there we go, and the screenshot has been captured. So now to find that screenshot we can open our gallery application. There we go, photos, and as you can see there is our screenshot. So that is how we capture it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.